Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire, bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, missed, no way it's so good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You are wrong. Change the voices in your head, make them like you instead. So complicated.